When was the last time you used your golf buggies and utility vehicles? How confident are you that they are safe, reliable and ready to be hired out to your customers? For most golf clubs, buggies have been hiding away in winter hibernation and need a little TLC. They need inspecting for signs of wear and tear and that tyre pressures are correct. Checks need to be made to ensure speed settings are correct to maximise buggy performance, the battery charging points are safe, and generally to be certain that buggies are compliant with the safety features in the manufacturer's owner's manual. Avoid costly repairs and minimise downtime with preventative maintenance, and give yourself and your customers peace of mind knowing that they have been given the all clear by our engineers. To find out more, contact our service manager Karen Braund on 0345 8055 494 or visit golfcaruk.com.